In this video, I'm going to show you some quick tips for how to create song structures. So I'm going to quickly go into the public library and show you one of the songs that a PolyNome user has created. I'm going to search in here for Hot for, because he created the song structure for Hot for Teacher by Van Halen. So we can tap here and install that playlist. I'm going to view the imports and load up this playlist. And you'll see that he's programmed in the whole part for Hot for Teacher. And it's as a bunch of separate presets in a playlist. So we have different sections for the verse, the chorus, etc. Now, if you're going to do this, it can get a little bit unwieldy having all of these individual presets to deal with. And let's say, for example, that it's a simpler song and you've got verses and choruses that repeat. What I want to show you in this video is how you can make that an easier task. What I'm going to do to begin with is add a marker above the first preset and call this intro. So the way you do that is on the main page, I'm going to clear the pattern from metronome 1. And so there's nothing in either of these two metronomes. And I'm going to save this as Hot for Teacher intro. And then I'm going to add that preset to the top of the playlist. So we'll tap the plus button, add presets to playlist, and I'll add Hot for Teacher intro. I'm going to just rearrange that. You can tap the pencil icon and drag that to the top. So this won't play because there's nothing in it, but we can use it to show that this is the intro section. And then let's say that the verse starts here. So I can do the same thing. I can tap on this, which is already an empty preset, and save it as Hot for Teacher verse. And then back in the playlist, we'll add that after item 2. So plus, add presets to playlist, and we'll add the verse. So now we've got the intro and the verse, and you'll see that if I play this, it will skip this. So we can just use these to show us what the different sections are. Now let's say that the verse was these 4 presets here. What I'm going to do is create a playlist which is just the verse section. So first of all, I'm going to go into the playlist manager. And this is at the moment, this is called songs. I'm going to tap on actions and rename it, call it Hot for Teacher, because that's what it is. And then I'm going to make a copy of this. So again, I'll tap on actions and choose duplicate playlist. We're filtering on filtered results here. So Hot for Teacher copy. And then I'm going to rename that to be Hot for Teacher verse. And then I'll tap and hold to load this. And what I'm going to do is remove everything from this playlist apart from what I'm going to call the verse. So we'll tap on the pencil icon and then I'll select all and deselect these items. So let's say that this is our verse section, and then I'll click the trash icon. So now what we have is a verse section. And then I'm going to do the same thing. So go back into the playlist manager. And this time I'll duplicate this, Hot for Teacher, duplicate, and I'm going to call it Hot for Teacher chorus. And we'll load that. And I'll do the same thing. So I want to add a chorus marker. So let's save this blank preset as Hot for Teacher chorus. And we'll add that. So we 1, 2, 3, 4. I said that was the verse, so we'll add it after item 6. Add presets to playlist. I'll add the chorus marker. And then this time I want to delete everything apart from this next section, which we're going to call the chorus. So again, you can tap the pencil icon to go into edit mode, and I'll select all. And then I'll deselect the ones that I want to keep. So we'll say that that's the chorus and then delete. So now you'll see we have this chorus section. the reason that I'm doing this is just to show you how you could create the verse and chorus separately. And then in the playlist manager, let's say you wanted to construct a song playlist that had various verses and choruses. So let's say there are 3 verses and 3 choruses. So I'll tap on verse and choose Actions, Duplicate Playlist. I'm going to do that twice so that we have 2 copies of the verse. And then with the chorus, I'll do the same thing. So Actions, Duplicate, Actions, Duplicate. So now we've got 3 verses and 3 choruses. So what you can do is tap on the multi-select icon and you can choose verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. So you select them in the order that you want, and then in the actions menu, you can choose merge to new, and we'll call this hot for teacher comp. And that creates a new playlist with all of those in the order that you selected them. So if we tap and then hit load, you'll see that we've got verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus, etc. So that's just a quick way of being able to, replicate sections without having to add all of these individual presets multiple times and drag them around within here. So hopefully that will help anybody who wants to create larger songs within PolyNome.